Hello viewers, Firefox just released a small update 135.0.1. After launching version 135, this update available from February 18 includes bug fixes and a security patch. Security fix: a high impact vulnerability related to memory safety has been patched. This issue could have allowed attackers to harmful code, so make sure to update your browser as soon as possible. Fix drop-down menu were not working on some websites. Fixed incorrect scrolling when clicking on anchor links. Fix any issue where previously closed windows and tab could still be restored after updating from an old Firefox version. Fix oversized icon appearing from custom search engine added by user. This update helps improve security and browsing experience. Be sure to check if your Firefox is up to date by going to menu help about Firefox. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.